my God! Wow!
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Just Mayan. For today's video, luluto po ako ng kung saan napakasikat dito sa bansang Hongkong ang noodles. So guys, paano ko ba lulutuin ang noodles na ito at gaano ito kasarap? Ang cream noodles dito sa bansang Hongkong na kung saan ay parte rin ng China na napakasikat ng noodles. So, let's go and watch how I cook these cream noodles. Pero bago ang lahat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi maging updated sa aking bagong video. Maraming salamat po.
Our ingredient, choy sam, 2 eggs, meat, and 2 cloves of garlic, and our cream noodles. And for the condiments are black pepper, dark sauce, and Maggi seasoning, and oyster sauce. So ayan na guys. For the preparation guys, ayan, minced meat set aside, and the 2 eggs, ayan, I crack it, first one and then the second one, and now set aside also. And now let's go to our garlic. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it, set aside again. And now cut our vegetable choy sam. Guys, this vegetable is according to what you want or how many what you want or kung gaano man kadami yung gusto nyong ilagay sa gulay. If you are vegetable lovers and you want your noodles to have more veggies, you can add more. It's depend upon what you want. So I choose choy sam because my boss like this choy sam. Here in Hong Kong, the pambansang gulay dito sa Hong Kong ang choy sam. And then I set aside. And now for our cream noodles, I open it. This is 340 grams of cream noodles. We're gonna blanch it into boiling water for about 2 minutes. Hindi kailangang masyadong lutong-luto dahil aanuhin natin siya. Papalambutin lang natin siya para mas madali siyang igisa. So, ayan. Ayan na guys. Let's blanch it. Pag nabe-blend na siya or nabe-blend na siya, okay na yan guys. Just blanch it for 2 minutes. Ayan na guys, let's drain it and wash it. Why we need to take it out the heat from the noodles because nang sa ganun guys, para hindi maging malagsak ang ating noodles. Now beat our egg. Let's beat the egg. Prepared our wok, put some amount of oil, and we're gonna fry our beaten egg into the wok. So ayan na guys, ipiprito lang natin ang ating binating itlog, not too much cook or not. So ayan, scramble eggs, we will make a scramble egg. Ayan, luto na. I-set aside uli natin siya, ang ating scramble egg. But before we set aside it, we crush it. Crush it. Dahil ibubudbud natin siya sa ating noodles. As requested of my boss, according to her, she want a little bit spicy. So I add 2 pieces of red chili and cut it into thin slice. And now for our wok again, put some amount of oil and we gonna stir fry our minced pork. Minced pork, I don't know how many grams it is, but it's like a size of our piece, small in your piece. And saute the garlic and also add the red chili to have some little bit spice. My boss want it little bit spice. And now for the seasoning, I add or is gradually add the black pepper and the Maggi seasoning. And now add the choy sam, our vegetable, the pambansang gulay here in Hong Kong. Guys, if you have some other vegetable you want to add it, you can add it. But as requested of my boss, this is what she wanted. So you can add carrots or you can add anything, veggies you want it. It's up to you guys. And now I already add the white noodles or the cream noodles. The number one here in Hong Kong, cream noodles. Now I add the oyster sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon and a half. And the dark sauce. Dark sauce is just to have color of our noodles, to make have a good color. You see guys, oh, nagkakaroon siya ng color, hindi siya maputla. And now we're gonna add the crushed scrambled eggs. Now you see why I crush it, because we will sprinkle here in our noodles. Now I use 2 spatula. Why I use 2 spatula guys? It's just because so that ang noodles natin is hindi siya magputol-putol. Yun ang way ko why I use 2 spatula at the same time while I'm stirring it, because it needed na hindi magputol-putol ang ating noodles. So ayan na guys, I'm done. It's already done, and you see, because of the dark sauce, naging maganda ang kulay ng ating noodles. So, I'm done. Napaka-easy lang at napakadali ng simpleng pansit ito sa Hong Kong, which is they called it cream noodles. Stir-fry cream noodles with scrambled egg. Now, I add the spring onion or shallot here in Hong Kong. Hindi uso ang sibuyas, but dahil may nakita ko sa rep, I already put the spring onions to have added taste and other fragrance of our noodles. So, I'm done guys, and I hope you love it, this simple pansit. Ang sarap nito guys, really, really masarap. And my boss also loved it and liked it. And now, in one plate, I transfer it. Guys, it's served for 5 to 6 person. See, I'm done. And let's go. Let's eat, and thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. This is called my lutu-lutuan pachamba. Stir-fry noodles, cream noodles, which is simpleng pansit na madaling lutuin. Sa atin ay pansit lang. But this one is simple and easy to quick stir-fry cream noodles with egg.